What's up guys, Jack here. Today I'm going to go over the biggest marketing strategies I use to make over $200,000. Before we get into the video, I own EXEPT Studios. We have done over 6 figures this year alone, so I do have experience in this industry. Now you know that I know what I'm talking about, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go over the 3 most important marketing strategies we use and how each one works and operates to get you sales and audience engagement. We are going to be talking about organic marketing, which is my favorite, email and SMS marketing, and paid advertising. Alright, so first let's talk about organic marketing. Organic marketing is basically anything you're putting on the internet that does not cost money. TikToks, Instagram posts, or Reels, even Reddit posts are all forms of organic marketing. The reason organic marketing is my favorite is because it is the most genuine form of marketing. You're not forcing someone to look at your product or sending them emails or texts about a new drop. You are organically showing up on their feed, which makes the customer feel like it is fully their choice to purchase the product. I've made most of my sales using only organic marketing, and I highly recommend if you are first starting to stick to only organic marketing. It may seem hard to get a viral video, but I promise you if you are consistently putting out quality short form content, you will get some form of viral video or post. Some tips I would recommend would be to keep them from 5 to 10 seconds long, quick cuts, and always have text on the screen to engage the viewer. Other than that, it's up to the algorithm and your product to get sales. Alright, now let's move on to SMS and email marketing. SMS and email marketing is anything related to sending a message with the goal of getting a sale or any sort of engagement. The most common form of this you will use is when you have people submit a phone number or email into your website. You will then take this info, and when you have a drop or release, you will send a bulk email or text to everyone who has signed up, notifying them of the release. This is a must-have in honestly any business. If you guys are interested in how to set this up in Shopify, I can make a video on that as well. A few tips for email marketing. Don't make the email too busy. Basically, keep it simple. Have some sort of image of the product you are dropping in the email, and have a clickable link so the customers can go directly to your website from the email. Alright, so for the last form of marketing, we have paid advertising. So this is basically when you pay for any form of promo for your brand. Whether that's paying an influencer to wear your clothes, setting up Instagram or Facebook ads, or even buying something like a billboard. Most likely, you should only utilize the first 2. I recommend just messaging influencers and asking to send your clothes to them. Chances are they will post in them and tag you without you having to pay anything. Now for Instagram ads, it's not very hard to set up and can be super helpful for guaranteed sales. If you can get a constant ad to sales stream, this can literally be the only form of marketing you need, but the downside is you have to spend a little bit of money to find success. If you guys want me to show you my personal Instagram ad setup and settings, comment down below and I can make a video for that as well. I'm working on a super in-depth course walking you through the exact process of starting a clothing brand start to finish, so stay updated for that. For now, I have parts 1 to 3 out for free here on YouTube. I also have been making very short videos that are quick and to the point, but if you guys would like long, in-depth videos, I can do that as well. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you again for watching, and see you guys next time.